Hello there, everybody. Blizzardbill right before 8 o'clock. A quick weather update for you. Blizzardbill quick cast. Couple of showers, maybe a thunderstorm developing over towards Hillsdale County and maybe northwestern areas, Williams County. No indications that there's going to be anything significant, but I did want to pass that along to you. As we pull out a little bit on the radar, somewhere you can see northern Michigan. Pretty good amount of rain up north across in northern Michigan, central Michigan, and heading towards the Lansing area, Kalamazoo, northwestern areas of Indiana near Chicago area, and rain diminishing now across West Virginia, eastern areas of Ohio, rain moving out, now moving into Pennsylvania. So we should be in a pretty good shape for the rest of tonight, except again back towards Hillsdale County and extreme northwestern areas of Williams County, getting an isolated shower or thunderstorm. It looks like more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity can be expected tomorrow, especially in the afternoon, tomorrow night into Friday. All right, that's it on the Blizzardbill Quickcast. Let me know what you think. Lots of folks want a quick weather forecast. There it is. Showers and thunderstorms increasing in coverage tomorrow, especially the afternoon, tomorrow night into Friday. We'll keep you up to date.